Hey guys, welcome back to Concept Crunch with Ridhi. In our previous video, we covered the basic of surds, how to simplify, add, subtract, and multiply them. If you have not watched it, be sure to check it out. The links is in comment description. Today we will focus on practice. I will walk you through some more challenging problems step by step, and then I will give you a few to solve on your own. First, let's do the quick recap. In a quick recap, before we dive into the practice problem, let's quickly recap the key points from our last video. Surds are irrational number left under the square root like a symbol of root 2 or root 3. We can only add or subtract surds with same radical part and for multiplication or division. Just apply the operation directly to the number inside the root. So let's start with simplify surds. So first question is simplify the following root under 180. So first step what we are going to do is we are going to find prime factorization of 180. So finding the prime factorization we can do two ways. One with the help of tree diagram. So with the help of tree diagram it will be 2 and this will be 90. 90 can be 2 and 45. 45 can be 3 and 15. And 15 will be what? 3 and 5. So now 3 and 5 is also a prime number, so we'll stop here. So we can conclude the prime numbers 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5. So and another way we can do 180 like this also. For 2 times it will be 90, with 2 times it will be 45, for 3 times it will be 15, for the 3 times it will be 5. So both the way will get the same answer, no change. So for the second step what we are going to do? We are going to pair it. Okay, so under root 180 we can write like this: 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. How to pair it? So there is a 2, 2, so it's 2 square, 3 square times of 5. If you remember, I told you you can break it. So let's break it. It will be 2 square, then it will be 3 square, then it will be root 5. Under root 2 square, that will be 2, it will be 3, and it is a root of 5. So finally we can write the answer as a 6 root 5. Next up, let's practice adding and subtracting surds. Solve the following: 3 root 7 plus 2 root 7 minus of root 7. Okay. How to solve it? Let's do step-by-step solution. First, since this surds root 7, root 7, root 7 are common, so can we write like that? 3 plus 2 minus 1 root 7, correct? So 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, that will be 4 root 7 is the answer. Now let's move on to multiplication. Multiply the following surd. Root 3 times 2 root 12. Okay, let's do step-by-step solution. First, what we can do? We have to break root 12. Root 12 we can write as a 4 times of 3, correct? Again we can break further, root 4 times of root 3, and we can write as a 2 root 3, correct? Second step, just write all together. So I'm writing from here this one, okay? So root 3 times 2 and root 12 we can write as a 2 root 3. So times of 2 root 3. Okay. So here 2 times 2 is going to be 4 and this root 3 times root 3 is going to be 3. So the final answer will be 12. Okay. Now let's practice rationalizing the denominator. Here the problem, rationalize 5 divided with root 6. So let's do a step-by-step solution. So first, multiply both numerator and denominator by root 6 to eliminate the surds from the denominator. So what we will do? 5 divided with the root 6. So we'll multiply root 6 up and down. And what we will get it? 5 root 6 divided with root 6 times root 6, that is a 6. So the answer is 5 root 6 divided with the 6. Okay. And that's how we rationalize the denominator. It's your turn. Here are a few questions for you to try your own. Post your answer in the comment. I will check them. So stop the screen and write the question. Final challenge problem. Before we wrap up, here's a final challenge problem for those who want to take it a step further. Simplify this expression. I will reveal the answer in the next video, so stay tuned. So that's it for the today practice session on surds or irrational number. I hope you feel more confident now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos on math concept. Let me know if you did the comments, and if you have any question, I will be happy to help. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. In the next video, we are going to discuss advanced concept and problem solving. Bye bye.